Hi friends, I'm Tilak, you're watching Tech Media Unit, and today we're going to see how to insert the shapes on your Microsoft Excel mobile. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert the shapes in your Microsoft Excel mobile, just going to show in this video. So first of all, click on where you just need to insert a shape. Then click on this arrow section, and you just want to click on the home section, just change this to insert option. Then you can find an option called shapes. Click on this, and here you can find the recent shapes that you just used, and here you can see a separate portion for the rectangles. You just click this and it automatically inserted. So now you can just insert another. You can just change the shape by clicking here. For an example, just going to change it to a circle. You can just add a circle, more circle like this, and also you have an option to change the circle colors like this. So you can just change this to orange like this, and also the fill color also can be changed. So if you just have a shape straight you can have a gradient color if you just need it like this, and also you can just change the outline color if you just need it like this. And here the size and arrangement, if you just want to send it back, you just click on send back, or if you want to have this in forward, bring forward like that. This is how you just insert the shapes on your Microsoft Excel on your mobile phone. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Media Unique. Have a wonderful day.